Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a review of Asus gaming laptops. We'll be using exactly this script to ensure everything is spot on. So sit back and relax as we explore the performance of these powerful machines. Oh, and let's keep the background music energetic, shall we? Alright, let's get started with the design and build quality. As you can hear, I'm a young Indian tech enthusiast and I'll be your guide today. We'll also add bold subtitles with a popping effect to make sure you don't miss any details. Moving on to the display and graphics, Asus gaming laptops are known for their vibrant and immersive screens. Whether you're gaming or streaming, the visuals are just stunning. Finally, let's talk about performance and hardware. These laptops are equipped with top-of-the-line processors and graphics cards, ensuring a smooth and lag-free experience. From multitasking to intensive gaming, they handle it all with ease. Now, let's talk about battery life. It's one of the most crucial aspects, especially for a gaming laptop. You don't want to be tethered to a power outlet all the time, right? So how does the Asus gaming laptop fare in this department? Well, it offers a decent battery life that can last up to 6 hours with moderate usage. Of course, if you're gaming extensively, expect the battery life to drop to around 2 to 3 hours. But hey, that's pretty standard for most gaming laptops out there. Moving on to the keyboard and trackpad. The keyboard is backlit, which is a nice touch for those late-night gaming sessions. The keys have a good amount of travel and provide a satisfying click, making it comfortable for both typing and gaming. The trackpad, on the other hand, is responsive and supports multi-touch gestures. It's not as large as some might prefer, but it gets the job done efficiently. All in all, the keyboard and trackpad on this Asus gaming laptop are well designed and functional. Now let's talk about the audio quality. Honestly, the speakers on this Asus gaming laptop really surprised me. The sound is clear, crisp, and has a decent amount of bass. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or just listening to music, the audio experience is quite immersive. Moving on to software and features, Asus has packed this laptop with some really useful tools. The Armoury Crate software, for instance, allows you to customize your gaming experience to a great extent. You can tweak performance settings, monitor system stats, and even personalize the RGB lighting. Plus, the pre-installed software is minimal, which is always a big plus. Now, let's discuss the price and value of this gaming laptop. While it might seem a bit pricey at first glance, the features and performance you get actually offer great value for money. Considering the high-end specs, solid build quality, and additional features, it's definitely worth the investment for serious gamers. To wrap things up, this Asus gaming laptop is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to elevate their gaming experience. It offers powerful performance, stunning visuals, and a host of features that make it stand out from the competition. So, if you're in the market for a new gaming laptop, this one should definitely be on your radar.